In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to images in Google Sheets. This is a great trick for enhancing your documents by embedding images that can directly take you to a relevant link when you click on them. Whether you're preparing a presentation, compiling research, or just organizing data, this neat feature can add an interactive element to your spreadsheet. First things first, you'll need an online link to the image you want to use. For demonstration purposes, I searched for a cat image using Google, and I simply right-clicked on the image and selected Copy Image Address. This gives me the direct URL link to the image itself, an essential step because Google Sheets doesn't host the image, but rather fetches it from this URL in real time. Remember, the URL should be publicly accessible, so if it's behind a login or a paywall, it won't work smoothly. Now let's move on to the formula we're going to use. It's a combination of two functions, hyperlink and image. Start by typing this formula into the desired cell. Begin with an equal sign, followed by the word hyperlink. Immediately after, open a parenthesis. This is where you'll input the URL of the web page you want the image to link to. For this demonstration, imagine we're using www.google.com as our destination link. Surround this URL in quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets that it's a text string, not a formula. Now that your link is in place, it's time to tell Sheets what image to use. After the hyperlink, add a comma to separate the two parts of our formula. Next, type image, followed by an open parenthesis to start the function. You will paste your image link here, again using quotation marks. So let's go back to our cat image link that we copied earlier and paste it into the formula. When you close the parenthesis or simply press Enter, Google Sheets will automatically complete it for you. Voila! You've now inserted an image into your Google Sheets cell, complete with an interactive hyperlink. Whenever you click on this image, it will instantly direct you to the web page we've linked to, the www.google.com in our case. It's a straightforward process, but the use of embedding links into images can significantly increase the usability of your spreadsheets, making them more dynamic and visually appealing. And there you have it, a quick and effective way of embedding clickable links into images within your Google Sheets. I hope this makes your projects a touch more interactive and notably easier to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy spreadsheet creating!